Nice to meet you, my friends. Welcome to Zhuangxian channel. Follow the Zhuangxian video to see the full production of the door seal. Zhuangxier-ZYXRubber is the leading manufacturer of the custom door seal, serving more than 1000家 industries. Professional R&D team, advanced production equipment, and strict quality system management are our core competitiveness. Rubber mixing. In general, the process involves combining raw rubber materials with other materials, such as fillers, plasticizers, and curing agents, to achieve the desired properties. Rubber extrusions. Forcing rubber material through a die or extrusion tool to create a continuous length of rubber with a desired cross-sectional shape. The extruded rubber can then be cut into the desired lengths and used in a variety of applications, such as seals, gaskets, tubing, hoses, and profiles. Dense foam rubber. Dense rubber. FPM open cell foam. Open cell sponge rubber. Available in wide variety of different colors. A rigorous quality control system is implemented. Ensure that every aspect of the production process, from raw materials to finished products and delivery, is closely monitored and controlled at each stage. Custom size and shape as per your application and project needs. Some application product: Metro Industry Platform Gap Filler, Anti-Pinch Baffle, Screen Door Seal, Oven Seal High and Low Temperature Door Seal, Lighting Industry Waterproof Seal Strips Gaskets, Building Fire Door and Window Seal, Automotive Industry Car Weather Strips, Car Door Rubber Seal. Learn more Zhuangxian product and service.